Have you ever found yourself with a decent balance in your GrabPay wallet, perhaps from cashback, rewards, or just everyday transactions, and wondered, can I actually turn this into cold, hard cash? It's a question many of us in Southeast Asia have pondered, especially as digital wallets become increasingly central to our financial lives. We use GrabPay for rides, food delivery, online shopping, and even in-store payments. It's incredibly convenient, and the rewards can be quite appealing. But what happens when you need physical cash, or perhaps want to transfer that digital balance to a bank account for a different purpose? For a long time, the answer to "can I cash out GrabPay" was a pretty straightforward "not directly." GrabPay was primarily designed as a closed-loop ecosystem. You top up, you spend within the Grab and partner network, and that's largely it. The focus was on encouraging cashless transactions and keeping users within their integrated platform. This made sense from a business perspective. The more you use GrabPay, the more ingrained it becomes in your daily routine. However, the landscape of digital payments is constantly evolving, driven by user demand and increasing financial inclusion. As digital wallets mature, their functionality tends to expand. So, while direct cash-out options were historically limited, things have started to shift. Now, let's dive into the current situation. While you generally can't walk up to an ATM and withdraw cash directly from your GrabPay balance, there are indeed ways to move your funds out of the GrabPay ecosystem, effectively allowing you to cash out in a practical sense. One of the most common and widely available methods involves linking your GrabPay wallet to your bank account. In many regions where Grab operates, you can transfer funds from your GrabPay balance directly to a linked local bank account. This process usually involves a few taps within the Grab app, and after a short processing time, the funds will appear in your bank account, from where you can then withdraw them as cash or use them for other financial needs. This method is incredibly convenient and essentially converts your digital GrabPay balance into liquid funds. Do keep in mind that there might be minimum transfer amounts or small transaction fees depending on your region and the specific bank. Another avenue for cashing out indirectly involves using your GrabPay balance for services or purchases that you would have otherwise paid for with cash or from your bank account. For example, if you pay your utility bills, top up your mobile phone, or even buy groceries using GrabPay, you are effectively preserving the cash in your physical wallet or bank account. While not a direct cash withdrawal, it frees up your traditional money for other uses, achieving a similar outcome. Furthermore, some regions have seen the introduction of GrabPay cards, either virtual or physical, often in partnership with major card networks like MasterCard or Visa. If you have such a card, you can use your GrabPay balance for purchases at any merchant that accepts that card network, both online and offline. In some cases, these cards might even allow for ATM withdrawals, though this functionality is less common and often comes with specific terms and fees. It's crucial to check the specific features of any GrabPay card available in your country. The ability to move funds out of GrabPay has significantly improved, making it a more versatile digital wallet than it once was. While the direct ATM cash-out might still be a rarity, the options for transferring funds to bank accounts or using your balance for a wider array of essential services provide practical solutions for accessing your money. It's a testament to how digital payment platforms are adapting to user needs, blurring the lines between traditional banking and e-wallets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.